Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to remove your KooperX2 seats from your stroller. So first thing you want to do is push back your canopies out of the way and remove your tray out of the way also. All right, so the first thing you want to do is right up here at the top of the seat, you'll see that it's buttoned on both sides. So first you want to unbutton those. Okay, there's a little Velcro there too. Then you want to unsnap the back of the canopy from the seat. To unbutton these, you're going to want to recline the seat all the way to give you some slack, and you're going to push it forward because over here on the sides, you'll see this strap that holds the seat on also. Now the strap is wrapped around and then put into a little slit here in the D-ring. So I have it started a little bit, and you're going to pull that out. And it's going to take a little patience, but as long as you get some slack in here, you're going to be able to pull that right out. See? There we go. There's one. There's the other one. There we go. Now those are off. And that's the hardest part of taking the seat off. Then we're going to put it back on its handle. And if you look down here under the seat, there's a strap here. And you're just going to want to undo this strap. It's tight, but you can work it loose. There you go. And then there are buttons here on the seat on each side. I have one removed. Here's the other one. Then you're just going to pull this up. And you've removed your KooperX2 seat.